So in today's video, I'm going to Illumalight up your life with this RGB bar light. But it's not for like bars for drinking. I guess you could use it that way. I mean, you can use it on your computer desk, you can use it. What's up everybody, it's PJ the Creator. I hope you're having a super beautiful day. And if you're new here, I do videos just like this as well as ADHD tips. So if that sounds like your jam, consider subscribing. And to all my returning subscribers, what up fam? Welcome back. Alright, so today I have a really cool product for you that I found at Walmart. And I thought this would be a pretty cool addition to my computer desk setup. This is the Illumalight, and makes me kind of think of Illuminati or Tupac.
Makaveli in this Illuminati.
Anyway, this is the Illumalight multicolor light bar. I picked this up from Walmart. I think I only paid like $8 or $9 for it. You can control it with included remote control. You can also control it with your phone, especially if you buy multiples of these. Well, I only decided to pick up one. I think that's all I'm really gonna need for my desk setup back here. So I'm really curious to see how well it works. So I'm gonna crack open a box and we're gonna see what comes inside. And I noticed that on the side here, it looks like it is made by a company named Tzumi. All right, let's get this little box open and see what we get inside. What does this come with? Okay, so here's the actual light bar itself. It looks like it could be, oh yeah, it comes with a stand. So you can do it this way or you can do it this way. I'm gonna be doing it this way because I wanted to light up the back of my desk. And it is USB powered. Let's see if it comes with a little adapter. Here's the stand there, your remote control. Instructions here. And it looks like you get some kind of a coupon here. 20% off on Nuckies. What's a Nucky? Oh, it looks like a pop socket. So it looks like this thing is going to be pretty straightforward on how to use it. Should be pretty simple. I'm really curious to see how it works with an app. We'll find out. Let's go ahead and get this thing some juice and see what we're working with. And it is on. And let's get the remote. Here's a little remote here. Take it out of the package. Go ahead and pull this out. Let's give it a play, but it's a little bright in here, so I'm gonna have to turn off the studio lights here for a second so you can actually see this working. So turn creative space off. So as you can see there, it is on and using the remote. There we go. Remote's a little finicky. There you change the colors. Blue, yellow, green, purple. Pretty cool. And strobe. It's pretty cool. But I will say, like, you're gonna have this like facing your wall. The remote doesn't seem to agree with it. It's like I had to go right in the front. But that's not gonna be. A lot of people aren't going to use this thing this way, so let's see how the app works. All right, so I got my little instruction manual here, and it has a little QR code that takes you directly to the app in the App Store. So let's go ahead and do that. And of course, you can use it with Android or iPhone. There's the app, Aura LED. Let's get it. I'm a little curious to see how you get the app to work with this. Yeah, it does say it works via Bluetooth, so let's try and connect it. Okay, so I'll put that up there. I didn't even have to connect it. All I did was download the app and it's working. It connected itself. That's kind of unique. Totally working with the phone. This is probably the way that I would recommend using it because pointing that remote at it just wasn't getting it. right, there you have it. That is the Tzumi Illumalight multicolor light bar. You can see I put it right behind my little chest here so it shines on the wall. It'll look a lot better in the nighttime, but I think it's a pretty cool pickup for what, roughly $8–10. Next time you're in Walmart and you see these lying around, pick it up. And you know, Black Friday, Cyber Monday is right around the corner. You may get lucky and find it for like $5, because if I find it for $5, I'm buying another one for sure. Now, I highly recommend that you do not use this that came with it. Use your phone app instead. I mean, I got it, like if you angle kind of down at it, it works. It's easier. It's just way easier to use your phone to do it that way with the Bluetooth connection. And like I said, it connected all by itself. I didn't really have to configure anything. See, with the app, it's just like super simple. Just hit the colors that you want. One thing I will note is that even the app is a little finicky. So like if it loses connection, just hit the little 3 bars up there. And you'll see the device right there. Tap on it again and then it'll reconnect, but it still leaps and bounds better than using the remote. And then there's all the different functions you get with the app. A lot of different scenes you can do. 7-color strobe. You see it going off right there. And it even says, you know, work with your Apple Music, probably Google Music too if you're an Android user. So pretty cool. All right, so thank you very much for watching my review of the Tzumi Illumalight multicolor light bar. I hope you guys and gals enjoyed it. If you did, you can do me a huge favor and give it a big old thumbs up. If you hated it, you can give it a thumbs down. But no matter what you do, don't forget to click that subscribe button and click the bell right next to it so you'll be notified every time I upload new videos. And I got another tech video coming up where I'm gonna revisit that old PC that me and my friend Bert cracked open. Well, we didn't crack it open, but we were messing around with it. I'm going to crack it open and kind of see what's inside, so look out for that tech video. And of course my ADHD videos, which I do on a weekly basis. And until I see you in the next video, this is PJ the Great saying Audi 5000G. Now my office gonna be like a little disco in my office.